Hello my beauties, welcome back, and if you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Well, this video was unplanned. I had just gone to the terrace to check on my plants and I ended up doing a short video for you guys. So this is my bougainvillea and I am starting this video with the beautiful flower. And then you can see the snake plant in the background. That's my bougainvillea and it's swinging. Look at that. There's a slight breeze. Here is my neon pothos. Looks extremely happy, getting the frequent showers. Here is my marble queen pothos. That is also doing equally good. Well, have a look. Isn't she beautiful? I just love them. I love each and every plants of mine. And look at the bougainvillea. This is the only flower that is in bloom right now in my collection. That is why I am showing it to you again and again. Anyway, let's admire the pothos or the money plant. This is the marble queen pothos, a beautiful plant. Beautiful. This is the chrysanthemum cuttings that I had taken some time back. I had planted 3 such heads, out of which one died on me, one has grown tall and the other is the short fellow. Anyway, out of 3, 2 survived. Now this is my wandering Jew. This is the cutting that I had taken some weeks back and this is also doing extremely well in the rain. Beautiful, beautiful. Actually, now I have 2 pots of wandering Jew. Look at this beauty. This is the green variety. This is the Calathea, which is the green variety. See how pretty it looks. Look at her. Such a graceful looking plant. Now this is my philodendron. These are the cuttings that I have recently potted. As for now, it looks quite happy. Let's see what happens. Now let's move on to the next plant here. This is the chrysanthemum. Actually, I had planted 3 cuttings, out of which 2 survived, and the one drooping in the left hand side is the cutting that has again been taken from the tall plant, and now I have to see whether it survives or not. Wow, look at this beauty. This is the Calathea again. It's a different variety. This is the green one and that is the reddish one. Beautiful plants, both are equally beautiful. This pot along with the plants had been gifted to me by my sister-in-law a week back and I have kept it as it is because these days I find geraniums also too delicate to handle, so I have kept it as it is. Now this is the fuchsia, which has been given to me again by my sister-in-law Rosa. This too is in the pot that she has given, and this is also a delicate plant because of the temperature here and the temperature in the hills is quite different, so it has to acclimatize properly before I can see some changes in the plant. Now my chrysanthemum, this is my philodendron. I want a bushy one, so I have to wait before that happens. This is the Calathea, beautiful plant. The wandering Jew, the chrysanthemum, see underneath full of aphids. And this is my marble queen pothos, again a beautiful plant, and the neon pothos. And there lies the bougainvillea, dancing away. Such a pretty shade, no? I have some more bougainvilleas which are yet to bloom. As of now, I have to enjoy the beauty of this one, this bougainvillea. Have a look at the sky. It's grey and dull, but the plants are there to make us happy. This is the aloe vera which is not bite, I water it. So friends, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If so, do give a thumbs up. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing, to share it with your friends and family members. So, till we meet again, it is bye-bye from all of us here at Plants, Crochet, Cooking and More. Keep smiling, be happy, bye-bye.